Starting around the 28th of May 2023, STEPN certainly is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.13% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a genuinely huge manner. GMT generally has an essentially all-out market cap of $231,277,105 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,878,755 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes STEPN kind of positioning at 126 in the digital money market, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN really be somewhat worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge? Is STEPN a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge? Will GMT cost truly outperform its record-breaking high, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? These sort of are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. STEPN value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost truly is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of 35 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the really current year ought to by and large be 34 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, GMT can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 39 cents, which really is very critical. STEPN value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of STEPN basically is supposed to, in every practical sense, be at around a truly least of 25 cents. STEPN cost can especially arrive at an essentially limit of 29 cents with the especially normal cost of 28 cents in USD, which is genuinely huge. STEPN value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, STEPN cost basically is gauged to basically arrive at the most reduced cost of 28 cents. Especially further appearance how starting around the 28th of May 2023 STEPN basically is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.13% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. The GMT cost could generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of 30 cents with the sort of typical expected cost around 29 cents in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN value figure July 2023. The STEPN cost for July 2023 may fundamentally arrive at an especially least worth of 29 cents while the most extreme estimated cost essentially is around 31 cents in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally normal cost for GMT in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to truly reach 30 cents in July 2023 in a truly significant way. STEPN value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the most extreme cost for STEPN could fundamentally stretch around 33 cents, which certainly is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of GMT in August 2023 is 30 cents with a kind of typical cost of 31 cents, which is very critical. GMT value conjecture September 2023. The STEPN estimate for September 2023 expects that the GMT may explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of 34 cents with an especially least cost of around 31 cents, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the sort of typical value GMT can stretch around 32 cents for September in a sort of significant manner. STEPN value gauge October 2023. The normal cost of STEPN could go to 33 cents toward the finish of October 2023. So starting around the 28th of May 2023, STEPN especially is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.13% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. GMT could truly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of 36 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 32 cents, which really is genuinely huge. STEPN value estimate November 2023. The very normal cost of STEPN could commonly go to 34 cents toward the finish of November 2023, which basically shows that besides GMT can generally arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of 39 cents, or so they especially thought. GMT could truly be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of 37 cents with the base expected cost of 33 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. STEPN cost expectation December 2023. STEPN cost fundamentally is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach between 34 cents to 39 cents in December 2023, while the essentially normal cost of GMT for the December explicitly remains around 35 cents. STEPN passed cost examination with an expansion in exchanging volume and market cap. The STEPN's cost, in every way that really matters, has shown an excellent increment of 1.18% in the especially most recent 24 hours, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. STEPN basically is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The GMT most certainly is down to nearly 1.8% in the very most recent 7 days, which especially is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for genuinely past genuinely couple of days. The coin could explicitly have, in every practical sense, solid essentials at the same time. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a beneficial resource in all things considered, momentary in a quite enormous way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT especially diminished by 33.125%, dispensing with an incredible kind of typical amount of 13 cents from its certainly current worth, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin, in every practical sense, is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be an excellent basically purchase and open door for, in every practical sense, speedy speculation. Pretty further appearance how GMT could be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of 37 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 33 cents. Or so they in a real sense thought. The 90 days cost change basically is near 53.25%, and the cost fundamentally flowed from a truly least essentially normal cost of 51 cents to essentially greatest genuinely normal cost of 59 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, which basically is genuinely huge. In especially most recent 4 months, STEPN especially has shown a developing pattern, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hence, we truly feel that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, showing how GMT basically has a very complete market cap of $231,277,105 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,878,755 in an unpretentious manner, as per the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of STEPN certainly is expanded from 4 months, showing that this especially makes STEPN exceptionally positioning at 126 in the digital money market, or so they thought. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in a really significant manner. The coin is up by 4.47% with the, in every practical sense, greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin generally was around 29 cents, and the extremely least especially normal cost of, in a real sense, was around 28 cents in essentially beyond 4 months, which truly is very critical. STEPN Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be STEPN by and large worth in 2023, or so they for the most part thought. The GMT cost basically is gauged to generally arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 39 cents with especially least cost of 34 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how in a real sense is STEPN in all things considered, wise speculation or exceptionally